Bond. English Bond. I'm here to teach you. If you do not learn good English, I'm here to shoot you. Okay, dear friends, in this video, I'm going to help you how to use short forms in your spoken English. The appropriate use of short forms will greatly help you improve your fluency, pronunciation, stress and intonation, standardize your English. Short forms are just a compression of pronouns and part of helping verbs. I, you, we, they, he, she, it, that. Am, is, are. Have, has, had. Will, would. Now let us try how to pronounce these short forms. I'm, you're, we're, there. He's, she's, it's, that's.
I'm a teacher, you're a doctor, they students. He's a mechanic, she's a nurse, he's my pet dog, we're all learning English.
I've, you've, they've, we've, he's, she's, it's, that's.
I've got a lot of books, you've got a lot of money, they've got a big car. She's got a new dress, he's got some wine, boss, he's gone. We've got to go, move.
Had is common with other pronouns. I'd, you'd, they'd, we'd, he'd, she'd, it'd, that'd.
I'd brought ice cream yesterday. You had gone home before I came. We'd been waiting for a long time. They'd not come to the meeting.
Will and would are common with all the pronouns. I'll, you'll, they'll, we'll, he'll, she'll, it'll, that'll.
This Sunday, we'll have a party. I'll bring books, you'll bring money, they'll bring their car. She'll bring her camera, he'll bring some wine. My dog, he'll bring my bag. You don't drink? That'll be fine. Totally. We'll enjoy the day.
I'd, you'd, they'd, we'd, he'd, she'd, it'd, that'd.
I'd like to welcome you all. You'd realize its value if you buy it. We'd meet again somewhere. He told that they'd be late to the function.
Now let us see which are the negative short forms. Okay. We use not after auxiliary verbs or helping verbs. Am plus not, ain't. Are plus not, aren't. Is plus not, isn't.
Ain't coming to the party. Why do you hurry? It isn't late. We aren't waiting for anybody. She wasn't well yesterday. They weren't happy with the treatment.
Have plus not, haven't. Has plus not, hasn't. Had plus not, hadn't.
We haven't finished our work yet. Still she hasn't reached home. I hadn't brought lunch yesterday. I ate his.
Do plus not, don't. Does plus not, doesn't. Did plus not, didn't.
I don't know anything about it. She doesn't like to eat meat. They didn't attend classes yesterday.
Can plus not, can't in British accent, can't in American accent. Could plus not, couldn't. Will plus not, won't. Would plus not, wouldn't. shall plus not, shan't, should plus not, shouldn't, may plus not, mayn't, must plus not, mustn't, might plus not, mightn't, need plus not, needn't.
I can't understand what you speak. She couldn't do anything at that moment. They won't help you. Don't depend on them. That wouldn't happen if you are careful. Shall we have coffee? No, we shan't. You shouldn't neglect your studies. It may rain. No need of umbrella. We mustn't compare ourselves with others.
Practice well these short forms and use them appropriately in your spoken English. There's a clear difference between acronyms, abbreviations, and short forms. Remember one thing, these short forms are not used in written or formal English, used only in spoken and informal English. Bye bye, see you in the next video. Bond, English bond.